Hi there, how are you doing? My name is Lioba and I'm an artist that is featured over at the DIYmoon diamond painting shop. And I want to thank you personally for being so creative and purchasing so many of my diamond paintings. This is wonderful. I'm so happy. And if you have the chance, tag me if you do one of my artworks. I would be so honored to see it turned into a diamond painting, maybe even if you hang it in your home. I would love to see that. And yeah, I just want to thank you, and I hope you are continually, you keep being creative and make lots of diamond paintings and have fun now in these times. Yeah, and I just wanted to thank you for that, and I wish you happy painting. Bye bye!